Welcome to the best picks. The best circuit breaker lockout is probably one of the most essential safety tools for anyone working with electrical systems. It's designed to prevent accidental energization during maintenance or repair, protecting workers from potential electrical hazards. In this video, we'll dive into the top circuit breaker lockout devices, exploring their features, benefits, and how they can enhance your workplace safety. Number 5. Master Lock 493B Circuit Breaker Lockout. This is the Master Lock 493B, designed for lockout tagout procedures. It's ideal for standard toggles on 120 and 240 volt breakers. Use it to enhance your workplace safety. The grip-tight design makes it easy to lock out circuit breakers. A simple thumb turn and clamping handle ensure a secure grip. This feature helps prevent accidental energization. Built with powder-coated steel and reinforced polymer, it's made to last. This construction allows it to withstand tough conditions. It's a reliable choice for your safety needs. The lockout is 5 to 1/8 inches long, with a height of 1 to 3/16 inches and a depth of 2 to 3/4 inches. Its compact size makes it easy to handle and install. It's designed for efficiency. This product includes one circuit breaker lockout. It accepts Master Lock and American Lock safety padlocks and lockout hasps. Padlocks and hasps are sold separately. What we like. This lockout features a patented grip-tight design, ensuring a secure hold on the breaker. Its durable construction makes it suitable for harsh environments. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-use lockout device, this is a great choice. What people say. Works with all single, double and triple pole standard breakers. Adjustable finger screw allows for a snug fit on all types and brands. It clamps onto the breaker switch, whether it is on or off, and then the swing arm further tightens it. I found it fits a variety of BKRs from ABB, Siemens, Eaton, SQRD, LS Electric and others. Don't panic if the angle of the grippers doesn't perfectly align with the angle pitch of your breaker handle, just tighten it down, lock it, and you're good to go. Number 4. TRADESAFE Electrical Lockout Tagout Kit, Red. This is a complete electrical lockout tagout kit from TRADESAFE. It includes a variety of devices to ensure proper control of hazardous energy. The kit is designed to meet OSHA-compliant standards. The kit comes with a vibrant, tear-resistant polyester canvas carrying bag. It's designed to keep all the components organized and easily accessible. This bag ensures the devices are protected and ready for use. It includes 4 red safety padlocks. Each lock is keyed differently and features a non-conductive nylon unibody. The locks are designed for safety and durability. The kit also contains a plug lockout device and several circuit breaker lockouts. These devices secure electrical plugs and circuit breakers. They help prevent accidental energization. Included are group lockout hasps and lockout tags. The hasps are made of industrial-grade steel and nylon. The tags are made of durable PVC vinyl and can be easily written on. TRADESAFE is a trusted USA-based safety supplier. They are an industry expert and reliable partner for lockout tagout compliance supplies. You can trust them for your safety needs. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive solution with various lockout devices, including hasps, tags, and plug locks. It includes multiple safety padlocks, each keyed differently for added security. If you need a complete and versatile lockout tagout solution, this kit has everything you need. What people say. Every piece fits perfectly and the locks and keys turn easily. Safe and accurate FOT on the breakers. This is a good value for the money. I needed a lockout tagout kit. I like that it comes with tags, locks and tie wraps, the right type. Number 3. TRADESAFE Circuit Breaker Lockout Device, 10-pack. This is the TRADESAFE Circuit Breaker Lockout device. It's designed to keep you safe by isolating hazardous energy. This device prevents unauthorized access and ensures compliance with safety standards. The clamp-on style is engineered to lock out single-pole breakers. It fits breakers with toggles up to 5/8 inch x 1/2 inch. This ensures a secure and reliable lockout every time. Made from impact-resistant, non-conductive red polypropylene and black nylon. This single-handle lockout breaker is built for heavy industrial use. It's a durable solution for your safety needs. This pack includes 10 120 to 277 volt red single-pole breaker locks. It features a thumbscrew for fast and firm deployment, with no tools required. The padlock shackle hole is 1964-inch in diameter. Developed and tested to help businesses exceed compliance with OSHA standards. You can trust this lockout tagout breaker lock to keep your workplace safe. It's a reliable safety partner. TRADESAFE is a USA-based and owned industry expert. They provide reliable LOTO compliance supplies. Choose them for your safety needs. What we like. This product features a clamp-on design, making it easy to install on single-pole breakers. It's made of impact-resistant, non-conductive material for safety. If you have multiple breakers to secure and need a cost-effective solution, this 10-pack is perfect for you. What people say. These have the cover connected by a hinge so the cover does break off all the time. They also have a really nice piece that comes down and makes a great block on the opening the breaker. They fit the older 600V panels well. Number 2. TRADESAFE Circuit Breaker Lockout Device, 3-pack. This is the TRADESAFE Circuit Breaker Lockout device. It's designed to lock out single and multi-pole breakers. This device isolates hazardous energy, preventing unauthorized access and ensuring safety. The clamp-on style is engineered to fit breakers with toggles up to 1 to 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch. It's a crucial tool for anyone prioritizing workplace safety and energy isolation. Made from impact-resistant, non-conductive red polypropylene and black nylon, this lockout device is built for heavy industrial use. The materials ensure its durability and reliability in demanding environments. This pack includes 3 red 480/600 amp breaker locks. It features a 1964-inch diameter padlock shackle hole and a thumbscrew for fast deployment. No tools are required for its use. The TRADESAFE breaker lock is developed and tested to help businesses exceed compliance with OSHA standards. Using it helps ensure a safe and compliant work environment. TRADESAFE is a USA-based and owned industry expert. They are a reliable safety partner for all your LOTO compliance supplies. What we like. This lockout is specifically designed for 480/600 volt breakers, ensuring compatibility with high-voltage systems. Its rugged construction makes it suitable for heavy industrial use. If you work with high-voltage equipment and need a reliable lockout, this is the one for you. What people say. These have the cover connected by a hinge so the cover does break off all the time. They also have a really nice piece that comes down and makes a great block on the opening the breaker. They fit the older 600V panels well. Number 1. TRADESAFE Circuit Breaker Lockout Device, 3-pack. This lockout device from TRADESAFE is designed to keep you safe. It isolates hazardous energy, preventing unauthorized access to circuit breakers. The clamp-on style is engineered to lock out single and multi-pole breakers. It fits breakers with toggles up to 1 inch by 2 to 3/4 inch. Made with impact-resistant, non-conductive materials, this lockout is built for heavy industrial use. The red polypropylene and black nylon construction ensures durability. This pack includes 3 red 480/600 amp breaker locks. It features a thumbscrew for fast deployment, and no tools are required. TRADESAFE's breaker lockout devices are developed to help businesses exceed compliance with standards. It's a trusted safety solution. TRADESAFE is a USA-based and owned industry expert. They are a reliable partner for all your LOTO compliance needs. What we like. This extra-large lockout is designed to fit even the biggest breakers. It's built to handle 480/600 volt systems, ensuring safety in high-power environments. If you have oversized breakers and need a secure lockout solution, this is the perfect fit. What people say. These have the cover connected by a hinge so the cover does break off all the time. They also have a really nice piece that comes down and makes a great block on the opening the breaker. They fit the older 600V panels well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.